Welcome back to Jalthi, where we simplify your tech. Today, we're diving into how to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox, turning your PC into a powerful multi-OS machine. Whether you're testing software, learning new skills, or simply curious, this tutorial will guide you through every step. So, let's get started. First up, you need two things: VirtualBox and the Windows 10 ISO file. Head over to virtualbox.org. Click on Download VirtualBox and then choose the version for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install VirtualBox. Next, you need the Windows 10 ISO. Go to the Microsoft website and download the Windows 10 disk image. Select your edition, confirm, choose your language, and then download the 64-bit file. With the downloads out of the way, it's time to set up our virtual machine. Open VirtualBox and click New. Name your virtual machine Windows 10 and ensure Type is set to Microsoft Windows and Version is set to Windows 10, 64-bit. Click Next. Allocate RAM to your virtual machine. I recommend setting at least 2 GB for smooth operation, but more if you have RAM to spare. Next, create a virtual hard disk. Choose VDI for disk type, dynamically allocated, and set the disk size. 50 GB should be enough, but adjust according to your needs. Now it's time to install Windows 10 onto your new virtual machine. Go to your VM settings, under Storage, click on Empty, under the Controller, IDE, then on the disk icon to choose a disk file and select your Windows 10 ISO. Click Start to power up your virtual machine. You'll soon see the Windows setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 10. Choose your language, time, and keyboard preferences, then proceed with the installation. When asked, select Custom, Install Windows Only. Windows will now install. This may take some time. Once done, you'll go through the setup of creating an account, setting preferences, and Windows Update settings. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 10 in VirtualBox. This setup allows you to run Windows inside your current operating system, which is perfect for testing apps or accessing Windows exclusive features. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and ring the bell for more tutorials like this one. Drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.